Okay guys, I'm kind of doing this on my phone because I forgot to get my GoPro. I'm working on the Ranger here. You can see I got the passenger side front spindle on, rotor, and the caliper mount. This bracket is what I've been waiting to get together up here. This allows me to run a, what is this, a 12-inch rotor? I think it's a 12-inch rotor. It's off of a 2004 Ford Sport Explorer Sport Track, something like that. But anyways, instead of stock ones, which are like little 10-inch ones, I'm able to run a bigger rotor. These, I believe, are 4 degrees of camber is what I'm able to do with them. I think I've got pretty much everything tightened down real good. I got the ball joints greased up. The only thing I got to do is hook up the steering part. We got everything else sitting here. But anyways, I'm going to try to get this all together. I'm still painting the caliper. I know everyone's going to be like, why orange, Jenna? It's actually Chevy orange. And we're putting this on the Ranger. My dad's favorite color was orange. And, well, you know, this is his truck. So I wanted to kind of do it, you know, for him. When we get the 5.3, I think I'm just going to paint that orange. And, you know, give it a little bit of that orange theme. It is something that he liked, and I would like to do that. So once the caliper dries, once I get it all painted and dried, I'm going to put it on here, and then we're going to put the wheel on, and we'll see how it looks. But here's the whole assembly. I'll break it down on this next one, kind of show you a bit more. And yeah, we'll go from there. But I just wanted to kind of touch on this real quick. My paint job around the rotor wasn't that great, but whatever. Oh well, it at least looks better. But yeah, so it was like this over here. There was just the drop beam. So put the brake line out the way. I'm gonna have new brakes and all that done on this thing too. So, but I'll start working on this side, the driver's side, once I get all the parts painted. Once the parts painted, then we'll go ahead and we'll put it on. Waiting for the little center cap there for the rotor to keep the grease in to dry. Once that's dry, we'll put it on the end here, and then once the caliper's done, we'll put that on. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, there's the caliper installed. I think it's actually gonna look really good. I'm gonna put the wheel on right now, and we'll see how it fits first. I want to see how it turns, and then I'm going to take it back off. I'm going to put the tie rod on. So there she is so far. Alright, here it is. Yeah, I know it's not very clean right here. Hold on. Where'd my rag go? There it is. Let's get that cleaned up. We had it looking nice and spiffy. Okay, we got everything tight. Sorry, I'm not used to using my phone, but we got the steering hooked up. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna put the wheel on and check it out. So I'll be right back. All right. Well, I don't have a lot of room because my toolbox is right here. But there it is. Can't run the center caps because the center sticks out too far, and you gotta have that on. But it's gonna look fresh on this. Let's see if we can get further back. Yeah, that'll look pretty nice. I turned it and it clears. So I'm going to start painting all these parts for the other side, because I don't know if I'm going to get it all done tonight, but it's getting there. Looks real nice. But, alright, on to the next. Alright, so it is 4:30 a.m. and I haven't gone to sleep yet. I'm about to quit here soon. I got all the parts painted that I want to paint it, so this really doesn't work out quite the way I like it. I would have liked it to, but you know, it turns out okay, I guess. I guess it's not even that noticeable down there, but whatever. I think it looks good. I got the spindle painted, bracket extension for the caliper bracket. They're all painted. Little cap for the rotor, it's painted. All the parts are painted. There's the other caliper, it's painted. Basically what we're gonna have to do is just, we're gonna have to grease the bearings. Sorry, the camera's wandering. I'm not used to using my phone. So we're gonna have to grease the bearings. I need to freaking clean this thing up too. It's a little washer nut or whatever you want to call it. That one goes on the outside bearing. I'll show you guys that tomorrow. But anyways, okay, so got all that done. While parts were drying, because that caliper took forever because it's orange. If you see here, I wish I could keep that center console piece, but I'm not keeping that seat. Light's not on. That's okay, we got the flash shot on. I got new seats. They come with little Sparco like 4-point harnesses or whatever, but I'm not going to use those because they're just going to be a pain in the butt for me. And I wish this would, oh, there it goes. Man, this whole time it was zoomed in. Anyways, but yeah, I was able to, these are Mustang seats. I was able to take the Mustang seats because they came on their own brackets, and the one was electric. I mean, you know, like it's got the little button here. I just don't want an electric seat. These were manual seats before, so I took the brackets off of my other seats, put them on the bottom of these, and hey, they work. So I'm going to eventually, I want a line lock in this thing, so when I get my brakes redone, I'm gonna have them add that. I want to get those little buttons you can put here, so I have to drill holes right here. But I want to put one there for line lock, maybe that one there, and then I want to put another one here, and that'll be my horn, because obviously you can see that doesn't work. But we're getting close, or closer to getting out of the ground. I'm going to start assembling this sometime tomorrow. And then once I put all that together, the front will be done. And it'll just be the rear end, which we don't have yet. So we'll figure it out. It's cool. But for now, I don't know if I can even, let's try this. I don't know. Can you see me okay? All right, anyways. But for now, I'm going to cut it out here because I need to go take a shower and I need to go to bed because I know I'm going to regret it if I don't. But anyways, get you that update in the morning. Well, I guess for you it'll be like real quick. But I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, well, this is the driver's side. I totally meant to film, and of course, I just forgot. I was so up into this, I forgot to even break out the camera. But I had all the parts painted last night. I mean, you guys will all see this in the same video. But I had them all painted last night. I just didn't want to wait for them to dry, so I went to bed. But I've got it all together. And got the steering all hooked up. I'm actually about ready to put the wheel on up front because I believe I got everything tightened down. And yeah, I just got to put the wheel on. And maybe I can... No, I can't. I was saying hopefully I could lower it down, but oh well. Anyways, we'll get the wheel on and we'll give you a little update. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, snappy dappy. She looking fresh. Man, filming with this phone sucks, to be honest. I like using my GoPro. Let's get a little further back shot. I really want to lower it on the ground in the front. I might do that. I might pull all the stuff out from underneath. And I might do that because I want to see what it looks like. Yeah, we're going to do that right now. Hold on. Okay, well, I got her on the ground. She actually turns all right. It's so hard to tell like how much drop, like the difference, because the stock wheels were so small. But I mean, it's definitely much better. For right now, that's just gonna have to be how it is. You know, even if we get a further away shot, there's still a little bit of wheel gap, but that's also because the back is still on jack stands. I mean, there's no axle back here, so it's kind of hard to get the full extent of it dropped down until we actually get it down all the way. But might settle a little bit once it's all the way down, but it probably won't come down too much more. But yeah, so anyways, well, that's all we're at right now. Once the rear end gets done, we're going to install that. And hopefully soon we'll get a full effect. Sorry if this video is a little crappy. I've just been kind of trying to film while I remember it. This thing is dirty. I can't wait to start pulling this thing out. But the 5.3 is... Damn it. The 5.3 is getting worked on. And those are the heads. I got to clean those up too. So we're getting rid of the 4L60 right over here. Let me get over here. Oh, it's way down there. We're getting rid of the 4L60. I was going to use it, but you see right there, that's a 4L60 bell housing. I am getting a AR5 transmission, so it'll be 5.3 and an AR5. AR5 is out of the Colorados. They're a 5-speed, and from what I understand, they're supposed to hold some power, so we'll find out, I guess. But hopefully we get that back soon. I got to pick up my mess, and I'm just happy that the front's on the ground. So, and I got to separate those brackets from the. It's got little 4-point harnesses, but the Ranger brackets, they don't come with the little loops in the back on the brackets that I had with these seats. They had like little loops back here, so you could actually loop your harness and it would go up and over right up here. I mean, they're nice, but I'll just use the regular seat belts. That's cool. Works with me. But hopefully soon we'll get it together so we can roll it out of here, then get the brakes done and have a nice day. I want a line lock installed for the front, and then have him redo all the brake lines. I want all new. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna get going, guys. So you guys have a good night. I'm out.